As promised at 6 o'clock, we've got a beautiful sunset for you. First, I want to take you on a little journey. Imagine I'm going to step out of the shot and you're sitting at the lake watching the sunset take place. A few boats are cruising around, the sun gets colorful as it goes down, and then finally, at the last minute, we get all those rich colors, the twilight. Tanglewood Tower Cam is sponsored by Blackbeard Marine. The time lapse is just a good timing on everybody's part here, and our tower cams are just great for those time lapses. The lake, 86 degrees right now. They are generating up until 11 o'clock. Cooler water, obviously, coming out of the generation at the dam, so that would be the best place to go fishing. Tomorrow, best time is going to be about 10:20, and then about 11 o'clock in the evening tomorrow for fishing. So here's where we are, 75 degrees across our northern counties, a little bit warmer as you head further to the south. Durand is 81, 83 degrees in Bottom. McKinney is 84 degrees, Van Alstyne the same. And so here are our winds. They're very, very light. And where these winds go calm, the temperatures will tumble a couple more degrees fairly quickly. And all night long I've been watching. The winds have been calm in Ada, Colgate, Atoka, Tishomingo, and Sulphur. And then they're just kind of going calm, then they're picking up again. Averaging tonight somewhere around right now 3 to 10 miles an hour, but as we go into the nighttime hours, it'll drop down to about 2 to 6. So we've got ourselves very low dew points, meaning that the moisture in the atmosphere is very low, and that means that it's very dry for this time of year especially, and that's what's going to allow the temperatures to start plummeting. As you go through the night tonight, whatever you're going to be doing in the overnight hours, it's going to be comfortable out there, and the breezes will actually even make it feel more comfortable. By tomorrow morning, I still expect breezes coming up from the south about 2 to 6 miles an hour, and temperatures will be an average of around 72 degrees. Some lucky folks where the winds go calm are going to be dropping back down into the upper 60s. So here's our high pressure system that stretches all the way to the Great Lakes, and our winds are coming in off of the Gulf, but they're actually coming in and they're moving across the hill country, and we have this giant high pressure system on top of it, the big dome of high pressure, which is making a difference in our weather. The first thing that you can tell, there's some showers out to the west. Do not worry about those showers. Water vapor imagery shows the last 6 hours of these showers moving their way on through, and they're not going anywhere. And so what we've got going on is a ridge of high pressure that's over us, which is going to shift off to Florida, and we'll pick up a little low that'll bring some rain down to, let's call it the lower valley, maybe up to hill country, but our next weather maker won't get here till Friday, and it's way off the coast. This big upper level low will help push a little cold front in. It'll hang up here on Friday. But for us, the next 2 days Futurecast shows that we've just simply got no showers throughout the day tomorrow, and those little pop-up showers as that disturbance comes ashore could bring up on Monday. But for the most part, we're dry, and we'll become capped as we get upper level winds that are warmer aloft, and so it's going to be hard to break that cap and have showers to begin with. We'll need the front to kind of provide enough lift to break the cap on Friday. So temperatures tomorrow are going to be looking around an average of 99 degrees. And look at this, the heat index is the same. So we'll go from 83 to 95 to 98 degrees. And then your 7-day forecast, temperatures continue to fall slowly but surely as we get a little more moisture in here. Of course, it's still going to feel the same because we add in the humidity and the temperature drops. The temperature humidity index goes up, and so it still feels the same. 10% chance of showers Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. That front gets close enough. I'm not really too worried about Friday night lights, but I'll be here next Friday anyway, so I'll have to deal with it.
All right, but how about that beautiful Texoma sunset that we saw at the beginning?
Isn't it wonderful? You know, we're lucky to have so many tower cams to be able to capture so many beautiful sunsets here in Texoma.
Yeah.